Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of Upper Deck Premier, and we're going to get right into the randoms for the overtime pack giveaway. So we've got the teams in. Teams are in there once. We're going to randomize it 4 times. Team on top at the end will be the winner. And I think I'll do a team on the bottom also. So Washington, Tampa Bay, Philadelphia, Calgary, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, and that's 3 times. So the 4th time, here we go. The winners are Vancouver Canucks and Carolina Hurricanes after 4 times. So congratulations. Vancouver is Cujo 727 and Carolina is Greg Greg G 007. Greg. Here's our list of winners. So you'll see their names on there. I want to thank everybody for jumping in and grabbing teams. There's a couple that didn't sell, but that's fine. Break 179, serial number 5169. We'll do the time. I forgot to do it last time. 2122. Here are the 2 packs unopened. I better mark them in here. And Vancouver. And here's our product. Serial number is 5169. Just what the paper said. And there we go. We'll get right into it. Sunday night, I've got a couple boxes, 14-15 and 13-14 Ultimate. 1 box of each in a break, and one of those 3-box mixers that I've been doing. Ain't got my knife tonight, so hard to get that old seal there. Don't want to cut my fingers off either, you know. Okay. Here's our pack. Get everything arranged, we'll get going here. So yeah, hopefully Sunday night you can jump in on those. I'll have a break next Tuesday night also, and I guess it's looking like Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Okay. We're starting off with Cujo 727 for the Florida Panthers, Rocco Grimaldi out of 249. Then we'll jump up to Buffalo and Cujo 727, Zemgus Girgensson 64 out of 249. Nice. For the Habs fan, 0420. Jumped in at the last minute and got the San Jose Sharks. Marco Mueller. Nice patch. Auto. Number 214 out of 299. For San Jose. Nice. For Chief F24, the Pittsburgh Penguins, we got signature champions, Tom Barrasso. How sweet it is. There you go. Very nice. Congratulations, Chief F24. And then we've got Premier's Dustin Byfuglien, 29 out of 125 for the Winnipeg Jets, who did not sell. For the Dallas Stars, just Bobby, John Klingberg, 3 out of 125. Nice. And our last but not least for the Florida Panthers, and Cujo, 727. Look at that stinking patch. That is sweet. 26 out of 99. Aaron Ekblad. If you want insurance on that, just let me know, and we can get the arrangements made. Up to yourself, certainly. Okay, there you have it, folks. I'll see you on Sunday night, I hope. Till then, good luck. Happy bidding.